is in a time of losing his election. I am requesting him to be aware of this. This is a local issue. We have to safeguard the interest of the health hazard. We don't want illegal people to occupy in a government property. That is why there is a lot of hue and cry in the one. We don't want to create slums in Bangalore. This is a city with a lot of this one. Like I don't want to comment on other cities, but it is our duty to protect the government properties. We are doing it. If anyone have been affected, if they doesn't have houses, we have an opportunity, we have a project to give them houses. Definitely we will help all of them.
The Kerala chief
We have got applications. Some of them are collected 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees to put here this one. Lot of women have said, lot of people also have communicated to me. They have given some of the bonus. We have collected. We will take action.
So what is the interest of Kerala in Karnataka? What is the interest of Kerala in Karnataka's Kogelosa?
We don't want any Keralites. Our chief minister.
So are these illegal immigrants?